The mood in markets has turned defensive. Here is what is behind the move and what to watch next. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver plunged to $69.10 per troy ounce, a move of minus 6.34% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $67.70 and $74.38. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that APA Corporation $APA stock holdings cut by asset management funds Miglaselskab AS. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Brent and WTI crude oil prices recoil as US-Iran talk stalls. What next? Trading view, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. This comes as Brent and WTI crude oil prices recoil as US-Iran talk stalls. What next? Trading view, adding pressure to energy markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Meanwhile, Brent crude is down minus 2.04%, trading at $93.09. This comes as U.S. independents begin increasing oil production in response to new market conditions, APC, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, WTI crude is down minus 2.69%, trading at $90.54. This comes as U.S. independents begin increasing oil production in response to new market conditions, APC, adding pressure to energy markets. Meanwhile, natural gas plunged minus 3.21% to $3.23 in a significant session. This comes as Brent and WTI crude oil prices recoil as US-Iran talk stalls. What next? Trading view, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to silver. Bears are firmly in control of the near-term narrative. Watch for key support levels. A break below could accelerate the decline. Risk management is critical in this environment. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. The technical picture for silver has deteriorated. The $64.96 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.